So today I wanted to talk about something that I've noticed with picking these Avis padlocks, specifically the Avis branded ones. It doesn't really happen so much with the Brady Avis lockout tagouts. Um, it's a trend with picking these things that I noticed, and I just kind of wanted to show it, and maybe it would help somebody. I'm not sure. And I was gonna pick these two, but not this one because this is the one for Mono Black Monday, and I didn't want to give away all the secrets to the lock before I gave it to somebody. But while I was getting ready to make the video, I decided to try to rake the locks because just to show just to show like I like to, if something's able to be raked, I'll rake it, then I'll pick it. But I did manage to rake this open, but now it doesn't work anymore. I broke something while trying to rake it, so the ADTI 40 I can't really show you, so I only have one that I can kind of show you this on, and then I'm just gonna have to ask you to trust me that this happens with four of the six padlocks that I have by Avis. Okay, so and I'm knocking things over. Let's go ahead and get this one in a vise. I gotta move that holder. Go in here. Okay. So I'm gonna go this way, and then I'm gonna take. I think I want you. Alright, let me grab a tension wrench, which should just be laying here. Yep, right there. Okay. So something I've noticed, and I like to call this the Avis juggling act. But with a lot of these, it might help if I was actually in there, huh? But with most of the Avis padlocks I've picked, I've noticed this trend. You hit number one, you get movement on the core. Number two, you drop number one. So you have to go back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm looking for number 6. Got number 6, but in the process of setting number 6. Nope, I didn't drop it. Cool. 2. So now I gotta go 3. And then 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So that one went a little bit smoother. Normally, with these Avis, at the beginning, I know it was frustrating because I would have to set 1, set 2, come back to 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I know it's kind of just like I said, it's the Avis juggling act. But it's definitely a trend that I've noticed. Like I said, 3 or 4 of the 6 that I have all do the same thing.